Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Toyota 4Runner, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about installing the chrome deletes for the rear piece. So let's get started. Okay, so for this last piece on the rear, just make sure you clean it, place it on one end, just give yourself extra material, and then just align it as you go. Once you have the decal set, just start squeegeeing and removing any air bubbles. And then apply heat so the film can start securing, and then we just trim off any excess material that we can't tuck in. Okay, so that concludes installation for the rear installation for the chrome delete. We hope that this video helped you with the installation. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Please make sure to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.